quit his regular job na high paying to start with a meme creating group na walang income. Gaano ka-crazy ka nun? Ikakasal lang niya. So parang may level of insanity na ba't mo ginagawa yan?
If you would start a business this 2025, what would you go for and why? Are you going to build a creative content clothing again, or are you going to explore for more?
The past years, we've been exploring different business ideas na nasa pocket na namin for years. And finally, around 2 years ago, we started launching them. So meron kaming Kape-Kape by Linya Linya. It's a coffee shop located inside Padi Rock sa may Shangri-La. So meron kaming coffee, Kape-Kape by Linya Linya. Startup pa lang siya and we're exploring to expand this year by creating more kiosks, no, in select locations. We launched Padi Rock. It's an inclusive play center for kids. It's also a content page for kids with original songs in Filipino, Bisaya, and English. May animated videos kami. So we have our own own children's songs and children's animated videos for kids na naging play center na rin. It's also located in Shangri-La. So yun yung dalawa. And then another one, yung Big Fuzz. We launched 1.5 years ago. It's a cocktail bar in Makati, in Amorsolo. So may cocktail bar na rin kaming sinimulan. So kung gagawa man kami ng bago this year, ah, wag na muna. Ang dami na. Parang kailangan naming alagaan 'tong mga bagong babies namin. And itong mother brand din namin na linya-linya, hindi rin siya dapat pabayaan. So lesson din siya for us na mahirap din yung bira ka lang ng bira ng mga bago, ta's nakakalimutan mong alagaan sila. So it's really more focusing on nurturing the businesses that we launched.
In starting out a business, what is more important? College degree or experience is still the best teacher on starting out a business?
Courage ang kailangan, tsaka craziness. Courage and craziness, no? Kasi pwede ka namang may college degree, pwedeng wala. Kaya mo namang mag-start ng business, hindi naman siya requirement. It's just that, syempre, pag may college degree ka, makakatulong yun if lalo na nag-aral ka ng mabuti. No? Pero pwede naman na may college degree ka, hindi ka naman nag-aral ng mabuti, hindi ka naman natutong matuto. So, ako naman, syempre, sana pareho meron. Kung kaya na magka-college degree, yung iba, walang privilege to do that, bawi kayo sa experience. Pero hindi enough na ang dami mong masters, wala ka namang experience. So you have to do both. Pero sinasabi ko yung courage